Hi, today we're going to learn about illegal argument exceptions. Let's type in if 0 is less than 1, throw new illegal argument exception. System.out.println. Let's run the program. And here you can see that an illegal argument exception has been thrown. And once an illegal argument exception has been thrown, the program immediately ends and nothing has been printed out. Okay. And why would you use this? You would use this for debugging, and in this case, since 0 is less than 1, we don't want 0 to be less than 1. And if we don't want 0 to be less than 1, then we throw in illegal argument exception to trace our debug. And here we can add an argument saying we don't want 0 to be less than 1. So that's why we're throwing an exception. We don't want 0 to be less than 1. Once we throw an exception, we can trace it back and we can try to fix it. Now if we remove this, let's comment this out. If we remove this and then we run the program, printing has been printed out because nothing has been thrown, so the program hasn't stopped executing statements yet. If it's thrown, then the program is going to stop and printing has not been printed out. And this is all for today, and be sure to like and subscribe for new videos. Thank you for watching.